Introducing Cerma's motorcycle engine treatment, the ultimate solution to clean, restore, lubricate, and protect all types of motorcycles on the market. Cerma STM-3 Engine Treatment is a premier product that kick-starts the Cerma process, ensuring optimal performance that will have your motorcycle running like a dream. Cerma STM-3 is not your average engine treatment, it's the only pure sick metal treatment that has been proven to significantly decrease friction, reduce damaging harmonics, and wear within your engine. By forming a micro-seal across all metal parts, Cerma STM-3 protects your engine from the formation of abrasive carbons and rust, ensuring longevity and top performance. With just a simple one-time application, add Cerma STM-3 to the engine oil of your motorcycle and you're good to go. The benefits of Cerma motorcycle treatment are truly remarkable, protecting new engines, reviving old ones, restoring engine and transmission performance, increasing horsepower and torque, boosting compression, and improving fuel economy by 4.2 to 21% as tested. In addition, Cerma motorcycle treatment reduces emission gases by 92%, stops carbon deposits, prevents hydrogen embrittlement damage, reduces engine vibration and noise, as well as cold start problems, tested to 40 degrees. Cerma STM-3 is 100% active ingredient, 100% organic, and comes with a 100% 90-day money-back guarantee. What sets Cerma apart from other engine treatments is its advanced lubrication protection. Cerma STM-3 treatment penetrates your engine's internal metal parts to eliminate destructive harmonics, noise, and vibration, while increasing performance and improving gas mileage. By creating a smoother, more durable surface without changing factory tolerances, Cerma simultaneously cleans and protects worn parts. Cerma STM-3 optimizes performance by reducing friction and wear, and works by forming a long-lasting nano-silicon carbide (SiC) matrix seal within the subsurfaces of the engine. This seal penetrates metal surfaces deeply, creating a silicon carbide matrix within the metal that improves strength, durability, smoothness, and heat resistance properties. Cerma motorcycle treatment is the best way to optimize your motorcycle's overall performance without the need for disassembly. Enjoy quieter, smoother operation and improved performance with Cerma's advanced technology. Backed by over a decade of research and validation, Cerma is trusted by professional race engine builders and aerospace engineers alike. Treat your motorcycle's engine with Cerma STM-3 engine treatment today and experience the difference for yourself. Feel confident in knowing that Cerma is a one-time treatment that delivers immediate results. Save on costly repairs and replacements, and enjoy the benefits of a ceramic engine at a fraction of the cost. Seal the steel with Cerma STM-3 and ride with confidence.